It is super windy outdoors. This red umbrella keeps falling down. I keep picking it up. I'm just gonna let it stay. I do love a good sky. It is beautiful. The giant Caesar lettuce that I planted is coming along nicely. I am really pleased with it. Leaves are falling all over the place. The spring onions that I planted, which are store-bought spring onions, they are doing very well also. The green salad bowl lettuce that's out in front, it is struggling. I'm pretty sure it's the 14 plus days of Noah's Ark rain that we received recently. Gosh. These rainbow carrots seem happy enough. I absolutely love coleus. It's one of my favorites in the garden, but it doesn't like frost. I'm thinking about getting a cutting and bringing it indoors to grow. Jericho lettuce is showing signs of life, and more carrots. I'm hoping to grow a lot of carrots. And a few other garden eats are coming along. And here we go again, another variety of coleus. The leisure pepper has become one of my new favorites. She's got thick walls and oh so sweet, but you have to wait until she turns red first. The garlic is sprouting. I was storing it in the refrigerator and honestly, it was already starting to sprout, so I went ahead and came outside and planted it last week. These collards are going on I believe it's the 3rd year. I think it's safe to say we can call these collard trees. Check out those leaves, young and tender, baby. Newly planted purple pansies, gorgeous color for the fall. Here are more of those collard trees that we spoke about. Grow bags are really great, especially if you don't have a lot of space, and they're easy to relocate. I'm still growing peppers in these grow bags. The peppers are loving the October cooler weather temps. This is more sprouted garlic growing in a pot. I see some seeds have germinated. I can't remember what I planted here, but time will tell. Garlic can be grown in the ground, in grow bags, containers, pots. It can be grown in so many different ways. I have lieutenant broccoli growing inside of a raised bed. Lemon thyme is an easy to grow herb used for cooking and medicine. It's very hardy and can survive the winter here in my Maryland Zone 7B garden. Chives is another perennial herb that will return next year. This is my first time growing Brussels sprouts, and I don't like Brussels sprouts, but we're going to give it a go. I'm so looking forward to watching this bed fill in with all of this delicious food. And here's a beautiful orange pansy. This is my first time growing borage, and I'm glad to know that it actually self-seeds because I would love to see it again in the garden next year. So in this raised bed, I planted cabbage. I also planted more pansies for fall color, and if I didn't mention it, pansies are edible. They thrive during cooler temperatures. All of the bugs and pests enjoyed the collard greens during the summer months. Now I'm going to enjoy the sweet and tender fall leaves. More garlic peeping through. Heucheras, parsley, pansies, collard greens. The okra has slowed down a bit, but it's still giving life, and I just can't bring myself to pulling it out, not just yet. I didn't have the best 2024 summer season, so I am hoping and praying that my fall season will go a lot better. Are you growing a fall garden this year? If so, let me know how it's doing. I'm enjoying these begonias for as long as I possibly can. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.